Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some happy mail here from the Little Dog Paper Company. Oh, I didn't know there was a sticker on both sides. I would have just had that side. Oh, I think there's a little opener too. Let's see if it works. Nope. Oh. So, some of this is Christmas presents. I had forgotten what I'd ordered. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And let me caution you now that there is some foul language. I won't read it, but I will share it. So just know that going in. Looks like this is the little freebie. I love the Little Dog Paper Company for several reasons, but one of them is certainly their love of dogs and their little Chihuahua, because I have a special heart in my, or a special place in my heart for Chihuahuas. One of my very favorite dogs was Tinkerbell. She was a baby Chihuahua. Some of you that have been around for a while remember her. And it looks like I have a freebie from the Woolly Planner. That's cute. And it looks like I have a freebie from Armor Designs Company. And this looks like a little snowflake sticker. Yeah. Cute. This is a freebie from Oh Suzanne. Stickers for your planner or journal. Hang out with friends, recharge, tea time. Cute. And I don't know why I got all these freebies, but I'm loving it. Perfectly Kawaii Company. Planet with stickers. Do the laundry, seriously. Little Dog Paper Company 5th anniversary. So I did get all of these things on sale. Sticky Situations. That's a cute name for a sticker store. And Canada Planning stickers. This doesn't look like anything that I would want. That is very odd. I'm not keeping that one. Coupon codes, and there's a little book. All the coupon codes. And it says shop, discount code, valid until, and then notes. Well, that's kind of handy. Huh. So all of that was free. I can't believe that one sticker set. Okay, I'm over it. And here is a little dashboard. Started out as the Alex Studio. Oh, this is cute. On Cheers to 5 years. Start out with the Alex Studio, and I even remember that. And it was born on September 14th, 2014. And it says, I'm just going to read it because it's cute. Our planner shop was born under the name Alex Studio. We took the planner community by storm back in the day. We had no idea the amount of growth we would see in the next few months. And then December 2015, we changed our name to a Little Dog Paper Company to become a more diverse stationery brand. And this was their little logo, and I love that dog too. And then it says, our logo changed to look more like our dog at home. Sheldon's new look allowed for a broader creative outlet look. Everyone loves Sheldon. That was the summer of 2017. And then June 1st, 2018, we opened our brick and mortar shop. We sell our greeting cards, gifts, and offer creative services. And then it says, cheers to 5 years. Very cute. Oh, and I got a little pencil and it says cheers to 5 years. So that's all the freebies. And now let's look at the stuff that I bought I'm going to put them over here and then I'll take them out and bring it over. So this is for Katie. I thought I'd put this or wrap this up for her. It's a narwhal tape dispenser. I thought that was really cute. Oh, and the tape in it is really fun. And I just thought this was really cute. The tape in it looks like that. Like holographic. And, you know, she includes blue hollow tape. There we go. She is going to be a teacher, so I don't know if I'm going to give this to her for Christmas or if I'm going to give it to her with her graduation gift, which is going to be a ton of teacher-y supplies. That is too cute, and I think she will love it. So there's that. And then I thought this was cute and funny. It's called Handy Notes. Communicate with hand gestures. So you can, you know, put a couple down to say I love you. You can put one up if you wanted to. You could do the little yes, you could do the I got it or thumbs down or whatever. I thought it was kind of fun. It's you can fold it, write it, and then stick it. So like that one says, have a look at this, and he's pointing at it. So it's kind of cute. I thought it was kind of fun. Oh, rock, paper, scissors or something. Call me, peace, high five, look. There's 90 sheets in here. Oh, this just says rock. Like, one hand, lots of signs. And so I thought that was fun. We do a white elephant gift at work, and I thought this would be kind of fun to maybe put in there. If not, I might give it to, I have a manager under me, and I might give it to him. I think he'd like that. Then I got some stickers. And looks like I got a freebie there too. I like that, the pumpkin. And then I got these days of the week. And Sheldon drinking coffee. Sheldon taking a bath. You know why I got all these. Some bones. And then I thought these were cute for the days of the week. And here's more with the dates as well. And these also. So I got these mostly for work, for my work planner. But I think they're really cute, and I'm just going to take them to work just like that. And I don't know, so I guess I won't take the dog ones because I won't need the dog ones at work. But all of the other ones I think are for work. Okay, so now I got these for my daughter. I think this is funny. I'll just lay them out and let you guys read it. I just think it's cute and it makes me laugh, so I'm going to put those in her stocking. And then I thought that these were really cute and I needed a pair of those. Isn't that funny? I just thought it was funny. I like this kind of sense of humor, and these are by Blue Q. And there's two in here too, so let me open one. And you guys know how much I love animals, so this has nothing bad about it at all. I think it's hilarious. This is a super absorbent dish towel by Blue Q, and I just think it's just too funny how sweet it is, and then what it says. I don't know. I just think it's hilarious. So I got that. It makes me laugh. And that's that. So I got a lot of presents or a lot of gifts, but you know, some cute stuff too. Fun stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys check out the Little Dog Paper Company. I don't think you'd be disappointed. She has lots of fun things. She's been around for 5 years, so she knows what she's doing. Just really cute things. And gosh, all the freebies were fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.